In question number 8, I want to know what information do I need to show that these triangles are similar? And we're going to put down everything we need to know. Let's start with the first one. If I know HI is 4.5, would that make them similar? Well, if we take a look here, my smallest side is 2 in my first triangle, and my smallest side would be 3 in the second triangle. In other words, I have to multiply by 1.5. Well, my next side, 3 times 1.5, that's 4.5. 4 times 1.5 is 6. So side, 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 that would definitely make them similar. Okay, how about if angle E is congruent to angle G? Notice angle E is between the smallest side and the biggest side, and angle G is between the smallest side and the biggest side. That would have side angle side similarity. That would make them similar. How about if we know angle F is congruent to angle H? And there's just not enough information there, is there? Oh, I forgot to erase the other one. Good. And I would have to know that I'd have to know HI, wouldn't I? So that's not enough information there. How about if angle D is congruent to angle I? If angle D is congruent to angle I don't know why that's not erasing. There we go. And once again, I need more information. I'd have to know HI was 4.5 in order to do that. Okay, how about if HI is 8? Well, we've already said that's not true. So it would just be the first two in question 8. Let's take a look at question number 9. If these two triangles are similar, I want to find the value of x. Let's pick one with x. I like 9x plus 1. 9x plus 1 is FG. What corresponds to FG? Well, that would be CD, wouldn't it? So that'd be 11x plus 2. Let's pick another side. I'm going to go 7.5. You could go 10.5, but I'm going to go 7.5. And so GE corresponds to BD, and BD is 10. And then what we'll do is we'll solve this equation. Let's multiply both sides by 10 times 11x plus 2. My 11x plus 2 is reduced on the left-hand side, so we get 90x plus 10. Over here, the 10's reduce, so then we're going to take 7.5 times 11, and that'll be 82.5x, plus 15, because 7.5 times 2 is 15. Well, if I move the 82.5 to the other side, that is, I subtract 82.5 from both sides, 82.5x that is, we get 7.5x. Minus at the same time, let's subtract 10 from both sides. So that would be 5, wouldn't it? And I just noticed I said 7.5, but I wrote 7. So divide both sides by 7.5. And that would be like 2/3, right? 0.67 or 2/3 would be x. Question number 10. I think I should have told you these two triangles are similar, I don't think we can do it. So let's assume they're similar. In fact, I'll write it down here. Triangle ADE must be similar to ACB in order to do this problem. Now we're told A to B is 8.1. My big triangle. I want to find AE and I want to find EC. So what? First off, my big triangle, this would be 9, wouldn't it? What I'll do is I'll call A to E X, and I'll call E to B 8.1 minus X. Now, let's just do a proportion. If I want to find A to E and I want to find, well, let's just do, if these two triangles are similar, I know angle D and angle C are the same. I know angle E and angle B are the same because they're similar. So I got parallel lines. I know they're cut proportionally, so let's do the proportion that's given to us. 5 is to 4 as X is to 8.1 minus X. So to solve for that proportion, I'll multiply both sides by my denominators. So I don't have any, I'm going to clear my fractions. Notice my 4 is reduced, so I take 5 times 8.1. I get 40.5. Minus 5x. My 8.1 is reduced, and I get 4x. Add 5x to both sides. 40.5 equals 9x. I'll divide both sides by 9. I'll get x. So 40.5 divided by 9 is 4.5. In other words, A to E is 4.5. Then to find E to B, I just take 8.1 minus 4.5. And we get 3.6. There are no units on this answer, so that's all you have to do.